Hey, students, way to hang in there, those of you who are. And we're heading into the last paper here. And it's going to be a story where you read Franz Kafka's Metamorphosis. I have given you the book on here. If you want to order the book in person, you can use any version you want. But it's a story about somebody who wakes up one morning and finds himself transformed into a monstrous vermin. He wakes up and he's a cockroach. He's not really a cockroach, right? He's suffering from an illness that you are going to give him. So you need to look up in databases um, some symptoms, some outcomes, the way people are treated, the way society sees people with mental illnesses or physical illness like AIDS that people misunderstand and want to hide them. COVID-19 would be a great one. But whatever it is, you have to read this story and use examples from the story. You can't make up anything outside the text to say Grigor Samsa is suffering from COVID-19. He's suffering from schizophrenia. He's suffering from AIDS, whatever you find, but it has to go along with the story. He slowly loses his physical abilities. He slowly hallucinates. All these things have to be talked about in your paper. So the first step is to read it, and to proposals are going to be due before Thanksgiving, and then we'll go from there. So read over this, and if there's any questions, Thursday 11:30 on Zoom, or email me. Okay, don't ever feel like you're bugging me.